Isa sa ilalim sa 6 na linggo na quarantine sa the Netherlands ang 24 sa mga Pilipinong crew ng cruise ship na nakapagtala ng mga kaso ng hantavirus. Department of Migrant Workers tiniyak ang maayos na repatriation ng ating mga kababayan. Si Gab Villegas sa sentro ng balita.
Nakatakdang i-repatriate patungong the Netherlands ang 24 sa 38 Pilipino na nagtatrabaho sa cruise ship na MV Hondius para sumailalim sa quarantine dulot ng posibleng exposure mula sa hantavirus. Sa virtual press briefing kagabi, sinabi ni Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Kakdak na ililipad ang 24 na mga hotel workers mula sa Tenerife sa Canary Islands patungong the Netherlands, habang ang 14 naman sa mga ito ay mga deck and engine crew na siyang magpapatakbo ng barko patungong Rotterdam sa nasabi ring bansa.
Repatriation to the Netherlands the next 24 hours, today and tomorrow. There will be 24, 4 today and 10 tomorrow, seafarers who will be boarding repatriation flights for the Netherlands. So that's a total of 24, 4 today, 20 tomorrow. And there in the Netherlands, they will commence their quarantine. The quarantine period, which will run up to about 6 weeks. There will be 14, the deck and engine crew, or a great bulk of the deck and engine crew, will set sail for the Netherlands, in Rotterdam, Netherlands, to bring the ship to port in Rotterdam, Netherlands. And upon arrival of the ship at port, the 14 crew will likewise commence their own quarantine pursuant to the quarantine period of 6 weeks.
Sinabi rin ng kalihim na sabay-sabay makakauwi ng bansa ang lahat ng Pinoy crew ng MV Hondius sa oras na matapos ang mga ito sa kanilang quarantine. Patuloy rin na makatatanggap ng sahod ang mga nasabing tripulante habang sila ay sumasailalim sa quarantine. Sagot rin ng may-ari ng barko ang gastos sa quarantine ng mga tripulante. Ayon naman kay Health Secretary Ted Herbosa, nakahanda ang public health system ng bansa.
We are capable with our infectious disease and critical care facilities to take care of any patient that is somehow gets to the Philippines. Pero as of now, wala pa. And the 38, wala ring nag-test na positive. So I'm very confident. We'll just watch this case and monitor and hope they will finish their quarantine period without symptoms.
Patuloy rin na nakikipag-ugnayan ng DMW sa Department of Foreign Affairs para mabantayan ang kanilang sitwasyon, alinsunod sa direktiba ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na matiyak ang kanilang kaligtasan at kapakanan. Mayroon ring ipagkakaloob ang pamahalaan ng financial assistance para sa Pinoy seafarers na sakay ng MV Hondius.
We will provide financial assistance, action fund assistance, as we always do to our returning seafarers, more particularly also in this case. And then yun nga, as we always do, we talk to the manning agency, ensure that the entitlements are due, are forthcoming. Ang technicality dito, once they arrive in the Philippines, the contract terminates. However, there could still be some benefits by way of some form of compensation, but we will have to evaluate this with the lawyers and the manning agency. But kung ang tanong lang is from the Philippine side, may financial assistance, of course, matagal na itong pinag-utos ng ating Pangulo sang-ayon sa pondo natin sa Action Fund.
Gab Humilde Villegas para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.